I work here at BC Perio performing their venipuncture or their phlebotomy to draw blood for the patients for both platelet-rich plasma as well as platelet-rich fibrin. Why we do this is that they both have been shown to regenerate the tissue in the surgical site. And for platelets are little cells that trigger the bone marrow to release cells to the injured site and help the healing and hopefully help the patient get healed quicker, and also for regenerating the bone to be able to put the implant in.
BC Perio involved a lot in the chairside conversions, which is the teeth in a day concept of taking out either failing or damaged patient's natural dentition and replacing it with a fixed restoration in a day. And in that aspect, I'm involved a lot in the planning and in the implementation and in actually working through that day and getting that process done.
And it's such a procedure where it really changes the way someone lives their life and how they feel about themselves and their confidence level. And it's a pleasure to give something like this to somebody.